Alright, so hey guys, good morning. Good morning and welcome to 4X Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, so guys, I'm sorry, I'm just going to make this really quick today, but we are not a buy or sell channel. Alright, let me repeat myself, we're not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Alright, so guys, listen, big day today. CPI, red folder release, jobless claims release, pretty big day. Okay, trust me when I say this. Please don't go too crazy today. We have news in the next 13 minutes and I am going to quickly share my screens with you all. Alright, listen, my one-on-ones, you guys, please do not go crazy. Okay, I cannot stress on that more. We could have an extremely volatile market, and it's not necessary the price is going to respect levels. Okay, so this was the initial buys. Yeah, we not only have monthly CPI, this is the first CPI of 2023. This is going to set the pace for the rest of the year. So it's best to believe that this one's going to be a volatile one, okay? Good morning, you guys. Sorry, I will get to the chat in just a bit. I just want to fill you all in with what I'm doing, okay? So I have NASDAQ right here. We may buy NASDAQ, but in all honesty, my bias is not towards the buys. I do think that we could get a pop maybe. Y'all know how those liquidity grabs happen, so we could get the pop, but then I'd be looking at this position down here, which is why I have an alert here. I wouldn't recommend y'all to be using sell stops, but listen, the ones that know, alright? So you guys need to see how y'all want to be trading these markets, and any trades you take upon yourself, okay? We're just providing free technical and fundamental analysis. We trade these markets every single day, and we're just sharing what we think with you guys, okay? So this is what we're looking at on on nasty. This is what we're looking at on dirty. Okay, they may again go push it all the way up there, do what they wanna. I'm not gonna look for that. They could pop, go up. I'll catch my move when we come back to the downside. Okay, so I'd be looking at a move that looks something like this. Okay, somewhere here. Listen, I've done a lot of charts for you guys today. Just so that you'll have a lot of flavors to choose from, okay? So we have 5 charts. Guys, is Dawood here right now? Dawood Millzone? We have about 12 minutes. If we could please get the secondary stream up and running. We wouldn't want people to miss on this. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. Gold. It does look like they're trying to create a little bit of a double top. Or maybe a head and shoulders, but again, let's see. I don't really have an exact bias on gold right now, okay? I am gonna watch it and I'm gonna see. All right, and on nasty and the dirty, guys, listen, please don't make the mistakes of putting orders going both ways, because I promise y'all will get whipsawed. Okay, so please don't put. Listen, if y'all want to go ahead and do it, if y'all are on a demo account and you want to test it out and just learn how to trade the red folders, then by all means go ahead and do it. But for you guys on the live accounts, if y'all have any sort of attachment to your accounts, whether they're individual or funded, just refrain from doing that at any time, okay? So stick with one bias. If you're setting orders, set it for one side, and hope price does what you think it'll do, okay? This is just my analysis, and I analyze these markets based off of my experience, okay? So I don't have a magic ball in front of me, you guys. All right, so let's see. Maybe we are approaching. Guys, I'm not going to be looking to get into any sort of trades before the market open. I have my position set and ready. So even if I don't do anything, I'm hopeful that I will get triggered. And yeah, okay. And this is what I'm looking at on oil. All right, so any of my oil traders, if you guys are looking, if you guys are here, then we're looking at a position that looks something like this. All right, and Cash has a write-up on CPI, which she's going to share with y'all. I think she's posted it on Twitter as well, but she's going to share it with you guys. So for the ones that want to have a quick read about it, she's going to put it in the chat right now. Let's take a quick look at the Dow. Okay, we can maybe we are coming into a really nice level right here. Okay, listen, it's up to you how you guys want to do it. Y'all could look at that. Y'all could look at that. Whatever works for you guys, okay? Let me take a look at Nasty. Alright, Nasty looks good. Okay. Alright, you guys. I'm sorry, I haven't got into the chat as yet. I'm just, y'all know me when it comes to these red folders. I am a perfectionist and I like having everything in place just so that we can maximize the number of people that make money on the session, okay? Alright, so we're clearly, for the ones that don't know, I'm sure my one-on-ones you guys have picked it up, but for the ones that don't know, we are coming into some straight up consolidation within this zone, so we could trap and gap it and then either push to the upside or break to the downside, okay? My one-on-ones, y'all should be able to see this and understand what I'm trying to say over here, okay? So we could change the color of that box to a white. Alright, so that's our consolidation zone. Alright, is anyone in any sort of trades? Guys, listen, if y'all are, I wouldn't recommend y'all to hold trades. Please. Not when these sort of folders are going to release, okay? Alright, if y'all want to get in on feelers, maybe y'all can go ahead and do that. But if not, just watch, alright? And let's just see what they want to do. And if you're trading a red folder with me for the first time, then guys, just straight up wait for the first 5, 10, 15 minutes of this news folder release, okay? Let price decide its trend, and then we'll see, okay? Oil buy? No, this was the sell that I had on oil. Did anyone get in on this? I didn't have the alert. I did have the alert go off, but I just didn't pay attention to it. Did anyone get in on oil? Okay, this is GU. I'm not going to be concentrating too much on GU. We're going to do the indices. Guys, listen, y'all have about 7 minutes. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is choose which chart y'all want to trade for yourselves, either NASDAQ, the dirty, or gold, whichever one y'all want to do. Mark out these levels just the way I have on that one given chart, and then just watch it, okay? Because things, listen, I'm not guaranteeing you that it's going to happen in the blink of an eye, but from my experience, it usually happens in a blink of an eye, okay? So if you're going to try to dabble between 3-4 charts, trust me, you're not going to end up getting anything. In fact, you'll probably end up losing some money, okay? So just pick one and trade one, all right? And listen, guys, that being said, you'll need to realize that on CPI, we could go... I'm not kidding, alright? This is very, very possible. On CPI, we could go boom, 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 all the way till there, and then maybe in the next 30 minutes, we'll get the retracement. I will go and catch the retracement. I will catch price action. I'm not going to catch this bullshit that they're going to try and trap us in case they want to do that, alright? So if you guys want to get in on these trades, y'all need to realize y'all are going to be by yourselves up there, but by all means, go ahead and knock yourselves out, okay? If you have an opportunity to make some pips and it works for you, then go ahead and make those pips, alright? Okay, so this would probably maybe go up to hit TP. Alright, let's see. Let's take a quick look at the RSI everywhere. Overbought, highly overbought. Okay, let's look at... But guys, with red folders, overbought, oversold levels, they don't really make too much of a difference, okay? Because when these folders release, they like to go crazy. Alright, overbought. Lovely. GU about to cross our 50 midpoint. Let's put that on. Okay, and let's look at oil. Alright, oil having a little bit of a retest. Let's see, you guys. Whew, are you guys excited? Are y'all excited? I hope, listen, we have quite a few people on the stream today. Y'all remember that impulsive stream that we had on my birthday? Was it for NFP?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was for NFP. I spoon fed y'all what to do. All right, I've tried to hint it to y'all, but we are not a buy or sell channel, so I'm not going to push on that anymore. Okay, we had fewer people on that day, so I felt comfortable sharing it with those people, but we have quite a few people on here today. So just make sure you guys are trading responsibly. Y'all know what my bias is, and it's up to y'all what y'all want to trade. Okay, that's gold. This move will be big, I think. Yeah, man, this is I've been saying it from the past 2 days. This is going to be a big move. Okay, and we're coming into it in about the next 3 minutes, guys. Next 3 minutes. All right, let's make sure we have our alerts set up. I am gonna... Okay, we've got that alert set up on... Okay, let's do that. What are you guys going to be trading today? Are y'all going to be trading nasty, dirty, or gold for CPI? What are y'all going to be trading? Dirty, nasty, gold, nasty, dirty, Dow, nasty, Dow, nasty. Okay, good, you guys. Please, just pick one, okay? Don't just pick one. Don't dibble dabble, and just stick with whatever y'all want to trade, okay? All right, and all of y'all that have answered, are y'all looking to do instant executions, or have y'all set up orders? IEs or orders? Trigger finger, good stuff, you guys. Good stuff, all right? Y'all need to realize, could happen in the blink of an eye, but good stuff, okay? All right, we have all trigger fingers here. I love it, I love it. I think I'm the only ones using orders today. We'll see how that goes, okay? Lovely. Okay, we have about 1.5 minutes to go, you guys. Let's have a good one, okay? I'm looking forward to this. Let's hope it's not a dud, and let's just get our freaking pips. And hey, take it easy, man. It's all good. All right, Space V1, my man. Take it easy. All right, y'all should be like Cash said yesterday. Meditate. All right. People have different forms of meditation. Some people like to literally meditate. Some like to listen to music. Some like to maybe get some THC in them. Whatever works for you, all right? Whatever works for you. I really did meditate today. That's good. Okay. All right, 30 seconds to go, you guys. Let's have a good one, please. Don't be going too crazy, okay? Don't be going too crazy, all right? Let's have a good one, you guys. I personally am going to be looking at the dirty. We've been having more volume, so I'm going to have the dirty open for when this move wants to play out. All right, but guys, 15 seconds to go, okay? This is going to be insane. Let them do what they've got to do, you guys. Let it go against the analysis, no problem, we'll catch it. We'll catch it from market open, or we'll catch it after. It don't matter. 5 seconds, this is CPI in the next 3, 2, 1. Look at nasty. Boom! Alright, so I am running... Fuck me, babe. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how much I just pulled out on that, and I promise... I am going to lose my shit right now. I'm gonna faint right now. I'm closing all my freaking positions. Look at this. Okay, so we got the sells on US 30. We got the sells on nasty. We got the freaking sells on gold. We got the sells on GU. And we got the freaking sells on oil. I need to take a breath, guys. Babe? Okay, guys, I need to show y'all something right now. I wish my phone was recording. Millzone's gonna hate me for this, but guys, I need to show y'all something right now, okay? I need to show y'all something. I'm shivering, okay? I'm shivering right now. I'm sorry. Okay, give me a quick second. I wish this was recording, man. Bloody hell. Okay. Okay, guys, I had no feelers. I had nothing. And I only had... Oh yeah, thank you. And I only had orders, okay? I had 2 Lambos set up each on nasty. Listen, I don't even care about what they want to do now, okay? I don't even care about all of this. I told you guys we're gonna sell. The ones that understood it. The ones that didn't, that's your loss, okay? Let me just take a quick second and show you all what I caught on this. Good lord, I don't need a trade for the next 2 months. I kid you not, okay? Alright, this is CPI, you guys. This is what I mean by we have some crazy moves. I'm still shivering. I'm still losing my shit. Please look at my position. And I am freaking done, okay? I don't need to trade for the next 2 months in all honesty. I am I'm shivering. I kid you not. I think this has been my biggest day so far, and whew, okay. All right, I'm gonna go through the chat now. Okay, just catching my breath. You guys, give me a second. I feel like I just hit the lottery, you guys. This is unreal. Okay. How many of y'all caught that? How many of y'all caught that? All right, I'm jittery right now. I feel like I've snorted a couple of lines. I've lost my mind. I'm a little jittery. Guys, react to my W, okay? How many of y'all caught that? Whew, Oh, good lord. Good lord. No, I closed them all manually, buddy. I closed them all manually. Guys, I have chills. This is unreal. This is unreal.
Put a W now.
Okay. We had 19 people. Guys, just look at my W. If someone didn't react to that, react to the W right now, okay? How many of y'all caught that, okay? Oof, look at Nasty, babe, look at Nasty. Are you still on Nasdaq? Nasdaq is still selling.
Yes, sir.
Oh my good. Okay, okay, take it easy. All right, so we had a 193 pip move on Nasdaq.
Wait, let me.
Okay.
Just wait.
Yeah, 193 pips on Nasdaq.
Yes.
Milzone, my man, are you here? Did you manage to catch that? Please tell me you did, brother. Please tell me you did. It couldn't get clearer than that.
Gold sell.
We had 300 pips on the dirty. 300 pips on the dirty. All right, look at gold right now. Gold is running on the buys. If any of y'all want to get in on the buys, on the gold sell,
30 on gold.
we had 173 pips on gold. 173 pips on gold.
Okay.
All right, and on GU,
Sell.
we had 43 pips on the sell. And on oil, fucking hell, we had 57 pips. 57 freaking pips on the sell. Whew. And look at oil right now. Is anyone in? I know we didn't have a buy put up here, but looking at this volume, I don't even give a shit no more, you guys. I'm done, all right? But everything's buying, okay? Now, these were the positions we had marked out. All right, gold is now starting to go bullish. The dirty is starting to maybe do something, but we don't care about this, you guys. We're freaking done. We're done. All right, Nasty is starting to do its thing as well. Milzone, is Milzone not on this call?
Yes.
Okay, he's probably busy with work. I hope he caught that though, man. I hope you guys caught that. This was one hell of a move, huh? Guys, this is what we do at Forex trading. Okay, we come here, we have these sessions, and and we bank our pips, and we walk away from these markets. Okay, so this is what we do every single day, twice a day. I hope you guys listen. I can guarantee you, if any of you guys had orders going both ways, no idea how your orders are activating, mate. Nothing worked on that moment. That's because I'm on a 250k account, mate. That's why. All right, on bigger accounts, the chances are when you use bigger lots, your orders get triggered. When you're on smaller accounts, there are very good chances that you'll get skipped. All right, so that's the reason that you guys are not getting activated if y'all are attempting to put in orders. It's in front of you guys. My orders are activated and closed as well. My MetaTrader froze, so I lost. I closed manually and lost half. Guys, listen, if you're losing half profit, don't complain. Okay, these markets don't owe us any money. If you make 20%, 30%, 50% of whatever you were originally seeing, that's fine, because that was money you didn't have till before the move played out. Okay, so it's all good. Take what you get and move on. I clicked to close on 320 and MetaTrader took long, so close at 178. That's fine. Congratulations on 178, man. Me too. Saw 200, closed with 350. Congrats on 350. Small trades, so lost pound 40, but I was in 210. Congrats. Me too. Okay. Any tricks on getting them close quicker? I was up a couple grand, close in 400. Listen, if you're in on multiple orders, it's going to be hard. If you're in on 2-3 orders, and if you're fast enough to just swipe close, swipe close, swipe close. I realize it's slightly harder on Android, but on the iPhone, you're literally just pressing the tick, close, pressing the tick, close, pressing. That's what I do, and that's what I've always been doing for my trading career, okay? I still didn't feel confident about trading a red folder on my evals, so I did on demo, but hell yeah, I have ended. Beautiful, my man. Congratulations, Space. I wish you would have traded this. You, out of all people, I know you're ready for this, man. You should have been trading this on a live account, brother. I put TP. Did you catch it? Managed to catch a buy on the gold. Guys, listen, if y'all are getting triggered and y'all are having issues with your smaller accounts getting frozen, by all means, go ahead and put TPs. When I say orders, I don't just mean put your put the price where you're going to get triggered. I also mean put in your TPs and stop losses, okay? I closed all manually. See, that's it, all right? When you're on a larger account, you are able to close it manually without getting frozen. It's just one of those things, you guys. Even with the orders and TP, execution won't be exact. It'll never be exact because of your spreads. All right. When you put in orders, you're leaving your broker with 100% an advantage, where they're gonna throw your spreads up like crazy the second news releases, and then you get triggered, and whatever spread you catch, right? Which is why give me a quick second, you guys. Okay. What's your lot size though? Right, up by 10%. Congratulations, that's amazing. Awesome setup, brother. Thank you, Gen X D Gen, my man. That was a couple of setups. It wasn't one setup, huh? Everything did it. We're done. I'm gonna close this session. These beautiful price action profits. Guys, I'm telling y'all, if I wasn't building Forex here, I'd be off traveling and just freaking taking a break from these markets for the next month, all right? But I'm doing what I'm doing for you guys. We are doing what we're doing for you guys, and which is why we're still going to come here consistently and do what we do, okay? My order got triggered late. Your order didn't get triggered late, Raul. You caught a really bad spread. All right, so you got triggered where you got triggered, but instead of a 2 or a 3 pip spread, you must have caught a 15 or a 20 pip spread, which is why you feel that you got in profits later. But the truth is, you actually got triggered at the same time your broker caught you into a trap. Okay? Thanks, Cram. You're welcome, buddy. You're welcome. Thank you, Cash. Nasdaq didn't let me down today. Yes, sir. It didn't let any of us down today, man. Today was... Oof, I still have the freaking jitters. I kid you not. I feel like I'm on some hard freaking drugs right now, you guys. This is gonna go on YouTube, so I don't wanna say too much, but I really do feel that way right now, okay? Mate, I'm pumped for Saturday. I would love to get to your levels. Absolutely, JJ, my man. Got a cram, thanks. I'm shivering too. Yeah, man, tell me about it. You guys, alright, so listen, I'm reading the chat right now. Find another group that's gonna do this for you guys for free the way we do it every single day. We freaking scalp these markets, you guys. We scalp. Me and Cash, we're working all day, every day to get these freaking levels for y'all. We're analyzing these charts 24/7 just so that you guys can come on our stream for 30 minutes. This stream has been on for 24 minutes and 48 seconds right now. So that y'all can come on for 30 minutes and bank money with us. Alright? So listen, how many of y'all enjoyed what we just did? I'm reading the chat. Thank you, Cram. Your sessions are addictive. I appreciate that, Kolama, my man. Big shout out to Space V1. The guy's a G2. Yes, man, he absolutely is. He's awesome. He's very helpful with what we're building here as well. Me, yes, enjoyed so freaking much. Yes, sir. Me, my brother says shaking. Me. Thanks, Graham. Absolutely thrilled. Although I lost out, the trade was right. Just blame for having a small account. Well, it's fine, man. Listen. If you didn't catch it, you didn't catch it. You didn't lose anything. You learned a lot. That's also a very, very big takeaway from this session, okay? Thank you, Cram, Cash, Mill. You're always welcome, buddy. Dawood, did you catch that, buddy? This session was lit. Let's go. Yes, man. Let's go. Will, my man, I think we have another thread coming our way, huh? Congratulations, you guys. I'm only watching, but I'm getting hyped for you guys. Thank you so much, buddy. We learned a lot. Was nervous after the last red folder, but today I feel confident. I'm glad you all made some pips. Back to the roots, to figure out. We're all here for you. I'm writing a thread too later today. Cheers, my man. We all learn a lot with you. Always, my I'm done, you guys. This is what a freaking day. I have been telling y'all about CPI. Like yesterday itself, I told y'all that, guys, tomorrow, bring your friends, bring your family to the stream, because it's going to be one of those days where our jaws are going to drop and we're going to be like, what the just happened, right? So, did it live up to its expectation? You guys tell me. Whoo, good lord. Okay. All right. So this is everything that we're working with. I'm gonna call it a session in the next, probably in the next 2-3 minutes. Once we have the new switchover of the 15-minute candle, I'm not gonna trade market open, okay? Because I am not willing to give back any of the profits that I've made, the way I've made them. I'm not willing to give back anything at all, okay? So I'm not going to be trading market open. If the ones that have, the ones that missed out on these opportunities, if you all want to trade market open, you all can go ahead and trade it. But please do realize that there are imbalances in these markets based off of the current moves right now that are going to have to be filled, okay? So if you all are taking any trades, just use feelers. Don't go too crazy, okay? Yes, I think I broke my trigger finger on this. Congratulations. That's good news, though. I'm hoping that's good news for you, Truce. I do think focusing on only one thing when you're starting helps. 100%. The only reason I had two simultaneous securities today, it was because I had orders set up. If I didn't have orders set up, I wouldn't be trading two securities, especially not for a red folder. And I intentionally had two orders set up just so that one got missed, the other one wouldn't have. But to my luck, I got triggered in on all four, and I was able to pull it off. Cram, do you set stop loss on these orders? Always. I always set a stop loss. I leave the TP open because I am fast enough to close these. But whenever I set the orders, I always set stop losses, because when I have these red folders play out, I'm not using feelers as orders. I'm using bigger positions as orders. So I'm not willing to risk anything more than 10 or 12 pips on these big red folders. So yes, I do use stop losses. I had stop losses on all four of these. Did Cram stop talking? Do you guys hear me? Guys, do you all hear me? Okay, thank you, man. Oof, what a session. I think Dawood slept off on the session. Babe, can you touch my head? I really do feel I'm warm. I'm not even kidding, am I? I feel like I just like spiked a fever or something, you guys. It's insane. It's insane what just happened. Yes, loud and clear. Dawood missed big time. So did Millzone. Millzone's not on this call either. I think he is, but
He's working.
he's probably working. Do your stop loss get triggered on days like today if they go against you? Well, listen, man, the account size that I'm trading right now is the biggest I've ever traded. Okay, so in my earlier days, even a couple of just a few years back, I wouldn't even say too long ago, whilst I was trading smaller accounts, there have been times where I have been triggered and then my stop loss is not hit. There have been times when this stuff happens, okay? But I have realized personally when you're on an individual account and when you're on a big account, you're usually going to get triggered and your prices and levels are going to be respected. Okay? Now again, spreads are a whole different thing altogether. Okay? Spreads are a completely different thing. I still face the same spreads as you guys. All right? But your broker is going to look at the lot size. It's just like Cash said, right? It's straightforward. Your broker is looking at where the biggest lot sizes are, and it's natural that $100 a pip would be picked up over $1 a pip. And again, I am still an extremely small fish in the bigger sea. So if my 100 was picked up, I can guarantee you the millions that were rolled by the big money was 100% picked up. Okay? Glad all of y'all made that bread. Got to figure out why my broker so always F's me on news. Hey man, that happens, bro. That happens. Did you make some, Mill? Did you lose some? Oh, I'm shivering, you guys. Still, what a freaking day, man. Better grab a shot of vodka. I need something stronger than that, buddy. He is, but is not here physically. Guys! Oh, okay, you're talking about Milton. Awesome. I'm on. Okay. Big moves. Just rejoined Cram. Are the levels still valid? Well, I mean, if you're asking me about this imbalance fill, yes. We could get an imbalance fill. But listen, we're still trending within our boxes, okay? So these trades are technically still on because this is the sell that we were looking at. Right, so we're technically still trading in. We've respected our entry point. We haven't broke past our entry point. Guys, I'm not muted though. Is there an issue? Can you all hear me? I mean, I haven't pressed mute. I haven't even on my headphones. Yeah, Cash can hear me from... Okay, thanks you guys. Thank you. Alright, then it's probably Discord being choppy. Alright, that's what it is. NYHP, my man, when is your session booked up for? I feel like it's been forever since we had our session. I hope it's sometime soon. Monday. Awesome. Looking forward to it, buddy. Can't wait to hear your progress. Okay, on the dirty, same story. Wickfill likely to happen. Same with gold, alright? If they start to break down, come back into our area. Look, this was an impulse, right? They never really broke within our area, okay? So if you break below this, then it's you should be able to believe that we're going to come to get this Wickfill to the downside, okay? And GU, give us some nice bullish moves along with the freaking bearish moves. Look at that, you guys. I didn't take anything. Like literally today for me was just set the orders and get the out. That's all it was. I didn't take anything. I'm not even looking to take anything. All right, and this is wanting to do whatever it wants to do. Yeah, babe. Harsh reality. I lost almost everything I made. Valuable lesson of not walking away. What do you mean, bro? Where is that? Is that what happened with it, bro? Unmute your mic and talk. You know, so that way if anyone else is facing the same issue, we can figure out a reason as to why that happened, right? And why would you lose everything you made on a pretty textbook setup? Probably had a nice W on the move, then got back in for the grade. That's a big red flag, you guys. Listen, don't be greedy. I always tell the guys on my one-on-ones. So on the mentorship program, we break down the entry-exit strategy plus the risk management strategy, right? So that's the module where I teach the guys and the gals to respect risk management, all right, to not be greedy and to just take what you get and reduce your expectations from every trade. And what makes us happy people? When we get more than what we expect, and that's how the trading psychology keeps falling into place as well, all right? So Oh my good lord, what an insane day. Alright, do we have any questions? I'm gonna look at some questions real quick, and if we don't have anything, I'm gonna call it a session, you guys. Hey Cram, I'm confused on the entry and exit strategy. Can you help? We're gonna have to cover that on the one-on-one, buddy. We're gonna have to cover that on a one-on-one, okay? I do have a video. I do have a video on Forex Academy, so you could go ahead and check that, buddy. But that's only in the meantime till we have our next session, okay? We'll break it down. You re-entered. Anyway, you've still closed it in profit, so don't worry about it, okay? That's still 156 that you didn't have before this session. You're always welcome, Ashley. Ashley's one of our OG. You guys, she's been here right from the start. She's here for literally every session that we do, and I can guarantee you as we have more and more sessions, she's going to be around, and she's definitely going to be a part of what we're doing here at Forex Trading. All right, closing a day on break even is absolutely closing a day on break even is an achievement. Gen X, my man, if you're free, can we get started earlier, because I am going to close the session, so maybe if maybe in the next 40 minutes, if you're free, let's get started earlier, okay? So that way I have a little more of the night to myself and my lovely wife. Can we see the dirty chart again? Sure. Oh shit, I just closed it. I think I did Global Prime today. Profit target done in demo account. Congratulations. Enjoy the night. Thank you, brother. Yes, I agree. It's almost impossible to enter, i.e. on news like this. I placed an order. I agree. Listen, the last time I told you guys to get in on orders, we had only 20 people because it was an impulsive session that we did, and we had only 20 people. I felt comfortable, but we had quite a few people today before we even started. All right, which is why I didn't feel too comfortable telling you guys and spoon feeding y'all. And y'all know me, I don't spoon feed y'all. Listen, we're not a copy trade service over here, okay? You guys are going to be taking your own trades. I'm just analyzing these markets for y'all. I make my money, and I'm giving y'all an opportunity to make some money alongside with me. But again, you guys are taking your own trades, all right? So y'all need to figure out what works for y'all. Everyone has a different way they trade, and everyone has a different setup, okay? And y'all need to see what works best for y'all. Joe, you the OG. Alright, so guys, listen. This was a freaking crazy session, huh? This was a freaking crazy session. You know what I'm gonna ask for, alright? We come here, we do this for y'all every single day, again and again and again and again. All we ask for y'all are just some freaking Twitter posts and some success stories. I personally don't feel it's too much to ask for the amount of value and for the amount of information that we're giving you guys. It's just straight up, alright? I don't like begging for this stuff. If you guys have been on the London sessions, you'll see that Cash, she never even asks for it because we're above that, but we are building something over here and we need to get eyes to what we're doing, alright? And if we are spending 24 hours practically a day to be able to analyze these charts for y'all as a free service, I think the least y'all can do is just throw on a Twitter post for us. Go on to success stories and post something for us so that we get some more eyes on us, okay? Dawood? Yes, and please, when y'all tag the Twitter, when y'all put up Twitter posts, threads, whatever it is, make sure y'all tag myself, CramFX, CashFX, my partner, and Project Whitelist, okay? TY Cram and Cash made big dubs today. Won't be trading market open now. Good. I like the sound of that, alright? Okay, you guys, so we're going to be looking forward to those, and trust me, alright, we're watching who posts and who doesn't. I know for a fact Dawood and Millzone 100% are, and you guys are definitely going to be in for a treat, okay? So just stick by that. Also, we had, well, pretty much our first official 4x shoot today, okay? First official 4x shoot. Okay, and it was pretty intense, and it was pretty cool. We're gonna have some really nice stuff come out for everyone to see real soon, and we had a proper shoot. We did it the right way. I'm just waiting on the footage, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, so we're gonna make this happen. You guys are gonna have a lot of stuff to play with come Monday, and it's gonna be crazy. Okay, and all we ask for you guys is your support. Okay, we're doing this for free. Just share it. All right, help us get some eyes to what we're doing here. And just to get some more people on here. Okay, so do we have any final questions, or are we good to call it a session, you guys?
Hey, Graham, I just wanted to verify that I'm good for that 30 minutes, if you're available.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We could get started in the next 35 minutes. I'll message you right after the session, but I'm good in the next 35, okay? All right, man. Okay, guys, thank y'all so much. I really, really appreciate each and every one of y'all. What a crazy freaking session. Best believe we're going to have these happen again and again and again and again. All right, cheers, guys. This is Forex Trading, and I'm CramFX. My partner is Cash. Signing out.